All right, today I am going to show you how to bake a potato in the microwave. Right here, I have a medium-sized potato right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to poke holes in it first after I clean the potato, right? Be careful because you can't cut yourself. I have a butter knife and I'm just going to poke holes in it on both sides, just like this. All right. I use a butter knife because a sharp knife is too sharp, right? All right, so once I did that, poke several holes in it, I'm gonna take the potato and I'm gonna put it in the microwave. And a medium-sized potato, this is a 900-watt microwave. I'm gonna put it in there for about 4 to 5 minutes. 4 to 5 minutes. 5 minutes. All right, after 5 minutes, you're gonna take the potato out, but use some gloves because it will be hot, okay? All right, the potato is hot. I do not recommend taking this out with your hands because it is hot and it may burn you, all right? So once you have the potato out, the potato is done. And if it's not done, you can throw it back in for about another minute or two. And that's how you make a potato in the microwave. Let me know if you have any questions.